In your export business, are you facing shipping delays, payment defaults, or quality issues, and you have no idea how to even solve this? I, Dhanraj Kidiyur, your export partner, I am coming up with a webinar in which I will talk to you about 4 major challenges that 99% of exporters face on a regular basis. What are you waiting for? Sign up now. Is export of Dubar and Tibar also banned? Is a very important question here, a very nice question. Now, firstly, we all know Dubar and Tibar comes under Basmati. So Basmati currently has having no restrictions, right? But Dubar and Tibar is almost like a broken rice of Basmati. So what happens is, my friends, see, in a normal broken of white rice, what happens is the value is about 200, 250 odd dollars FOB, right? But Dubar and Tibar is already a very expensive grain apart from being Basmati, right? So the FOB value is around 800 might be, right? So there is a huge difference in the FOB prices. There is a difference in the rice profile, so it comes under Basmati. So at this moment, if you see, Dubar and Tibar rice is being generally exported out of the country, right? It's the white rice brokens, the lower value rice brokens that is faced 100% broken ban. At the same time, recently we also came to know, right, to the government that because of some low economic countries are relying on rice from India, so in special cases even the 100% brokens are allowed on the quota basis only for specific quantities, for specific buyers and to specific exporters at the moment.